we will start the Tirunallare Padigam, which is considered to be very auspicious and removes any negative energy during lunar eclipse. This Padigam is exclusively upon Lord Shiva. And this Padigam is considered to be highly beneficial when you are required to go outside during such times. Lunar eclipses or solar eclipses, you cannot be paused. When you're required to move out for your studies, like for your dance classes, or in future anytime, you will have to remember that there is a beautiful remedy called as Tirunallare Padigam. This Padigam is written by the devotee, the boy, is called as, his name is Thirunyana Sambandar. So can you see there on the extreme left, he is Thirunyana Sambandar. He has, so ready, let us chant. Tiruchitrambalam. Veyuru Tholi Pangan. Vidamunda Kandan. Miganalla Veenai Tadavi. Masaru Tingal. Gangai Mudimel Anindu. என் உலமே புகுந்த அதனால் ஞாயிறு திங்கள் செவ்வாய் புதன் வியாழன் வெள்ளி சனி பாம்பு இரண்டும் உடனே ஆசரு நல்ல நல்ல அவை நல்ல நல்ல அடியார் அவர்க்கு மிகவே தேனமர் பொழில்கொள் ஆலை விலை சென்னல் துண்ணி வளர் செம்பொன் எங்கும் நிகழ நான்முகன் ஆதியாய பிரமாபுரத்து மறை ஞான ஞான முனிவன் தானுரு கோலும் நாளும் அடியாரை வந்து நலியா வண்ணம் உரைசே ஆன சொல் மாலை ஓதும் அடியார்கள் வானில் அரசாள்வர் ஆணை நமதே. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். When you are required to travel on such eclipses during that time and any other bad times in your life, this Padigam removes any obstacles or negative energies. And there are 11 paragraphs in this. What we chanted is 11 paragraphs. And this is a temple in Tamil Nadu where this Padigam was written by Thirunyana Sambandar. And as you see, the ending word, the ending phrase was Nalla Nalla Avai Nalla Nalla Adiyar Avarku Migave. Whatever it is, promise me that you will give only the good for your devotees. So what is Thirunyana Sambandar? Demanding Lord Shiva. He is demanding Lord Shiva that whatever be it lunar eclipse or solar eclipse, I don't care. If I chant this Padigam upon you, God, you have to promise me that you remove anything negative and give only positive. Nalla Nalla Avai Nalla Nalla Adiyar Avarku Migave. Like that, first 10 phrases was done. And in the 11th phrase, what is happening, he is going one step up. Okay, I have come out during this lunar eclipse to do my work, believing on you. So, do not stop with only giving me good things. Make me a king. So, give me the benefit that I achieve or attain all success for what I have stepped out today. Is that clear? So this is the trust and belief Thirunyana Sambandar had on God. And I'm very glad, children, you chanted all the 11 verses. Lord bless, God bless. Thank you for that. Right? We'll start the class. Come.